Okay, question 1C. The sum 1 minus 4 plus 9 minus 16 until 100 squared equals how many? Okay, so I hope the pattern is, we know what the pattern is, right? So it's a positive, so the odd squares are positives basically, and then the even squares are negated. All right, fine. So how will we do this? What is a sensible approach? So one thing we could do is that we could group the terms, right? So we could group the terms and then think of them like this. So for example, this gives me minus 3, this 9 is 7. So next one is what? The next one is 25 minus 36, so it's negative 11. Okay, and then it will be sensible to say, okay, the negative 3, negative 7, negative 11, that's a arithmetic sequence, right, with 50 terms, because I paired up the 100 things, right? So if I pair up the 100 things, I'll get 50 terms at the end. So it's sensible to say, okay, I'm going to use the formula straight away. A equals to negative 3, D is negative 4, and then my N is 50, and then off you go, right? That's okay, you'll get the answer you like. But I think there's a neater way of doing it. The neater way of doing it, I mean, personally, is that you could consider the difference of two squares. For example, the first one is 1 squared minus 2 squared, which is 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2, all right? Which is basically negative 1 plus 2. All right, how about next bit? 3 squared minus 4 squared equals 3 minus 4, 3 plus 4, which equals to negative 3 plus 4. Okay, so we observe that until like 99 squared minus 100 squared, the first bracket is going to be negative 1 no matter what, right? So last one will be equals negative 99 plus 100. Okay, and if I try to sum up all these, if I use a sigma to sum up all these, that's essentially the same as negative brackets 1 plus 2 plus blah blah until 100. Right? And 1 plus 2 plus blah blah until 100 should be familiar to all of us. Right? We should know this number. Right? Or I mean, if you don't know it, then you can use the formula again. You can choose A is 1, D is 1, and N is 100, and you can figure it out. But then, this is a very nice number. It's good to know it. It's 50-50. All right? So we arrive straight away at our answer, which is E, negative 50-50. So personally, I prefer the difference of two squares method. But if you want to go for the pairing and then considering the arithmetic sequence from there, that's also okay. Gets you to the same place.